Hey guys, this is me, Taylor. I'm gonna show you my zippo collection today. I only got 3 so far, but I love collecting them. They just really seem to get to me. So here they are. A lucky one. Got this one found on a street. I'll show you in a minute. This one actually, I'll just explain in a minute. This one right here, my first one. See, it doesn't work though, because simply all out. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to fill these. This isn't that hard. This one right here. My dad actually was on a job site. Was walking around, saw this in the grass, and he knows I'm a huge fan of zippos. And really, there is no downside to this. It's my favorite one actually. All that ding off them was really nice. And then, last but not least, my second ever, but pretty much almost my favorite, because I love this color, okay? It's chrome. It's chromed out and everything. But right here, my cousin screwed it up in the light a little bit. My cousin bent it. Dumbass. This one, fingerprints do show up really easily with the fluid on it. Yeah, but it slid back a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, but like right there, it slid back. I don't got a jeweler's loop, so I can't really do anything about it. I just said I was gonna fill these up for you, so I'll get my foot out. Yeah, back. Sorry for the wait, dudes and dudettes. I will be back. Okay. This one. Right here. Needs to be filled. I'll show you how. First off, you want this stuff right here. Never get this brand right here. This stuff is crap. Okay, it's gives off such a strong fume. It's horrible. Sure, the flame burns pure. It's in these ones over here, in the other ones. But this stuff is crap, okay? And I can't explain safety enough again for this, because don't go spraying stuff and light it, because who the hell does that? Come on. But never use a lighter fluid. Never spray anything light it. Unless you got like a really big, like, unless you got a really problem with dude making death threats. Yeah, go ahead. Not gonna have him, so. Okay, here we're gonna do. It's open. Oh man, that fume is so fucking strong. Right here. This is the inside. Just some ram balls. You got this right here, which you can keep spare flints. That's where your flint goes. Little screw down there. It says lift here, but pretty much gone. But you can put the nozzle in there, in between here, and or you can just spray it in here. But you don't need to forget. I'm gonna show you another way to do this. Like this. So if it gets overflowed, it goes in the bottom. Seeps from underneath you. And here you're gonna do. Something like that. There we are. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like that. There we go, run out of fluid. Crap, spilled some, but whatever. Okay. This is now filled. Okay? Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Alright. Hey everybody. Sorry, this is actually my trick lighter, believe it or not. Twilight Zone. Trigger sent up. There you go. I may not have filled enough, I do not know. But all I know is, do not go screwing around with this stuff. And not light people's stuff on fire. Unless it really is that bad. Hope you enjoyed my video. Tune in for more later in the year, maybe. Well, month, week. Name List. Hope you have a good time. And keep hydrated. Okay, you guys have a good one. Bye.